So my title at Dimerix is Senior Clinical Trial Associate. A big part of my role is managing and tracking recruitment of the Action 3 trial. This ranges from working with our various stakeholders to find and recruit patients, to ensuring their smooth progression through the study as planned. Being part of a very small team, my role is extremely varied, and I also lead a wide range of other projects, such as engaging with our patient advocates, organising international investigator meetings, and engaging with our external stakeholders and collaborations. I have a science background. I completed my Master of Biotechnology at the University of Melbourne in 2023. I actually joined the company as an intern in 2022 while I completed my final year of my degree, and then joined the clinical team full-time in 2023 upon completing my degree. A main objective of my role is to support the clinical team in ensuring that we achieve our recruitment targets. There is a lot that goes on behind the scenes to receive approval to allow us to recruit patients. So another main objective of mine is supporting the team where necessary as our priorities evolve, be that document review or direct engagement with our sites and study team. A highlight for me has been engaging with our patient advocates. It was incredibly moving and inspiring to have the opportunity to hear directly from someone who has FSGS and to provide them a spotlight to share their stories to a wider audience. So being part of a small team, I have actually become a jack of all trades. In this role, I have self-taught website design, video editing, and even event planning. It's a fascinating field. We are the bridge between scientific discovery and new treatments landing on the market and reaching the patients. So since we're a small team, I really enjoy getting to know my colleagues well and having the opportunity to be exposed to different functional areas of the company, which isn't always an opportunity that people would get in a larger organization. I am excited for the Action 3 trial to recruit pediatric patients and to find out if the drug is safe in this population, and to potentially have a therapy approved specifically for this population who have limited options and who have historically been under-researched. I think the theme song of Dimerix would be Work by Rihanna. The reason being that if you've heard the song, she repeats the word work many times and somewhat incessantly. So being a small team, we work very hard. So the song repeating that word feels quite accurate for us as a team. So I'm really into rap music, which usually takes most people by surprise, because I think they would think I listen to a different genre of music, but no, that's what I'm usually listening to in my headphones in the office while I'm getting my work done. I'm currently reading Educated by Tara Westover. It's a powerful memoir about a woman who grew up in a religious fundamentalist family, and the story is about how she overcame huge barriers to get an education and to forge her own path in the world. It's a fantastic and highly inspiring read, so I definitely recommend it to anyone who hasn't read it. I absolutely adore my cat Leah. She is the cutest and I spend a lot of time caring for her in her old age. I'm also big into fitness, and in my spare time I enjoy doing Pilates several times a week, and I also take a casual ballet class every now and then. I'd love to create to be able to create a hyper-realistic drawing or painting. I love art, and I've always been amazed by people that are able to create those really insanely hyper-realistic art that looks like a photo in real life. I think maybe floristry or baking. Just something creative where I can work with my hands, because I do enjoy anything sort of hands-on and creative. So, being a perfectionist, the best piece of advice I've ever received was, it is what it is. So, which sort of the implication being, sometimes you just have to accept things that are outside of your control, and it usually all turns out okay in the end.